Hey guys, we are at the Asian Market Festival. Let's go see what's there to eat.
Mango slush, how does it taste? Yum, 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 yum. General Tao. Yum, 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 yum.
This is a cheese dollar. So it's a huge chunk of cheese in here.
Hold it up the other way. Cheese dollar, and it's like the size of your palm. You may not see it on camera, so try it out. See if there's any cheese pull. Oh, a little bit of pull.
Oh, that's cheesy.
Sure someone will like it. Let's get on to the General Tao now. This looks delicious, guys. Look at this. Yum, 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 yum. Here's your fork. Try her out.
Alright.
See if it's real white meat inside too. They dipped everything fresh over there. They deep fried it all fresh, so it should be good.
White meat.
White meat, let's see.
That's delicious.
Yep. How's it, spicy?
Yes.
Sweet, let's
That's
dig into
really
it.
good.
There you go. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum.
Yum, 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 guys. Fresh. Look at this. Yum, yum, yum. It's really, really delicious stuff. Look at this.
Can I just get the cookie with... Oh, it already comes with the cookie. It looks ancient. Okay, I just stuffed my money.
That's it, man.
Look at this thing. Wow. And look at this. Wow.
上次我们有没有那个 background 看没有，让你看就看。
Let's see what deliciousness is going on here. It smells so good. Wow, look at this. Hi.
Thank you. 一人真的只给 Thank you.
Sauce.
yours. Look at how you can Barbie. Like, I mean, I don't even know why you girls bother at this point. Like,
En los size, c'est 3 lechon, 3 couple.
I will. And you
3 lechon, 3 couple.
Oh, shit. You know, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch. Now, I'm a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch.
That is crisp to deliciousness right there. Look at this. Oh my god. This smells delicious, guys.
I think we still have another 5 minutes. They have a lot of exotic things. Last time I didn't get a chance. Today I'm not going to get a chance either. We got a lot of exotic stuff. Honestly, if I could, I would stay long term because I'm staying. No, if I could, but I can't. All right, bye.
Got some calamari here. They're cooking it up fresh right here. Look at this.
Run through of the Asian market fair today. We had some really good Channel Tao, but we're out of here because it is hot. Bye.